Hi everyone, today we will introduce how to install a large fish feed extruder machine, mainly installing these parts. Step 1. Install the screw sleeve. There's a scribe to facilitate installation and fixation. Oh, don't forget, there is one more part that needs to be installed. The screw is installed. Step 2. Install the outermost protective cover. The side with the small hole is facing outward. In order to facilitate the installation of the screw sleeve, only 3 screws are installed and they must be kept loose. Step 3. Install the screw sleeve. The direction pointed by the arrow should be facing outwards. Align the groove with the small hole and tighten it with screws. The machine is too heavy. Install a gravity support device. Step 4. Install the remaining screws on the protective cover. Make sure every screw is tightened. Step 5. Assembling the machine head part. Make sure the screws are assembled correctly. Make sure every screw is tight. Pay attention to the front and back. Can't install error. Make sure every screw is tight. Step 6. Install the mold. Make sure every screw is tight. Step 7. Adjust the cutter.